Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're going to talk about the Avax Avalanche blockchain price prediction for 2024 going into the bull market. So we're going to get into that. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those notifications, man. I'm going to continue to bring Avax news as soon as possible, as soon as I can put it out, because it is one of the top blockchains out there, in my personal opinion. And I do believe they're building like crazy, and they continue to do some good things in the crypto space. So we're going to talk about the price. We're going to talk about where I believe it will go in the future and much more. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those notifications as soon as you see this video. So we're going to get directly into it. And before we do, please, people, consult with the financial advisor before going too deep into the crypto space, because it is volatile and we truly don't know what's going to happen in the long term. So if you invest in something, always do your own research. I'm talking about always do your own research, and never just listen to whatever crypto YouTubers like me and other people have to say about projects. Know what you're investing in and have conviction in whatever that cryptocurrency you're investing in. So let's get straight into it. AVAX, we can see price right now is at 13 cents or $13.08. So not too bad on the day. On the day, we are 3% down. So I always say any red day is a good day to buy. So today will be a good day to buy, and I'm gonna tell you why. Just because AVAX is so undervalued right now. A lot of things going on in the ecosystem, a lot of burning of AVAX. We're gonna talk about how much AVAX has been burnt in July, since we're talking about AVAX. We're also going to talk about how they continue to break new records as far as new users. But like I said, price is at 13 cents right now, looking very good. Market cap is at 4.5 billion, coming rate 18. And then we can see volume is up 42% on a day, and that's at $140 million, coming in ranked at 28. So let's just talk about it, man. Let's just get into it. Let's talk about how much AVAX has been burned. So this came from the official Avalanche blockchain page, and this was on July 13th. And we can see 2.5 million AVAX has been burned since launch. Did you know AVAX is a hard cap, scarce asset that is used to pay for gas, and all fees are burned and removed from circulation? So this is very bullish because AVAX continues to grow, and the more it grows and the more transactions we have, the more burns we will see in the future. So 2.5 million has been burned already, and that's just the beginning of it. Just wait till we hit the bull market and more transactions, more people come onto the blockchain, more people see what AVAX is building, then more people will start to do transactions, and then we're going to see AVAX burn so fast, man. It's still a lot of tokens out there still. 2.5 million is really not, a lot just compared to the cap of the tokens. If we go back to CoinMarketCap, we can see the max supply is 72 or 720 million AVAX. So 2.5 is really not a lot of AVAX just, right now, but like I said, once that bull market hits and over time, that burn is going to continue to happen, taking more out of circulation. And that's going to be very bullish in the long term. And this project has a long-term type of mindset behind it. And that's the type of people in crypto projects you want to invest in, that's thinking for the long term, not just, waiting for the short-term appreciation. Although I do believe in the bull market, we will see a lot of appreciation coming from the Avalanche blockchain. Now, this was tweeted a couple of days ago on July 19th. We can see activity on Avalanche continues to accelerate across the network. So monthly active users in July have already reached 1.72 million people, a third straight monthly all-time high, and still climbing. So more people are coming into the AVAX ecosystem, and that's even more bullish because the more people, more transactions, the more burns we will see with the token. So love to see the users in July absolutely climb, and I can't wait until we hit that bull market. I'm telling you, a lot of more people are going to come back into the blockchain because this is an undervalued blockchain right now, and they're doing some amazing things. Now we go to DeFi Lama, and we can see Avax is still in that top 10 as far as different blockchains. We can see though, total value lock is down 5%. We got $644 million locked on the blockchain right now. So love to see that. A lot of good dApps on Avalanche blockchain. The number one dApp is BNQ. It is a lending platform. And, I believe they will continue to grow as well. Aave is on there, GMX, Trader Joe. So some good dApps coming. More developers will be on the way for Avax. So this is very, very bullish in my personal opinion, just because over time, more people will come and we will see more dApps and different types of dApps as well. That's the main thing, not the same type of dApps, but things that or dApps that will do different things on a blockchain. And we're just going to see that network activity absolutely grow. So very bullish on it. I want to go back to the price, and I always tell people to zoom out, man. Zoom out, and we can see if you invested in 2020, you will still be in profit up 183%. And that's why I always say dollar cost average is your best friend, just because over time, if it's a good project, it will appreciate. And even though prices may drop from all-time highs, they usually don't go back to the lows of the all-time lows if it's a good project. Now, if it's a scam or a exit liquidity type of project, of course they're not going to see appreciation. But if a project continues to build over time and continues to put out new advances and new features for the blockchain, then we usually see this happen, especially like with these big blockchains. We saw Ethereum did a couple of bounces, and now we're at some good prices for Ethereum. And I think over time, these blockchains that are actually building will appreciate like crazy as long as they continue to see adoption on the chain, and the network effect is just going to continue to grow the chain. So now we get into it. My price prediction for Avax. I wanted to show you the market cap of 2021 when prices were at all-time highs. We saw $27 billion market cap, really more. It won't let me get all the way to the top, but a 27 to a $30 billion market cap. So I believe it can absolutely hit that again easily in the bull market. So I'm going to say my price prediction for 2024, end of 2024, is around $110, man. I think we can hit that $110 mark, going into 2025 or at the top of 2025. We truly don't know what's going to happen, though, but this is just my opinion. But I do believe once we full on hit that bull market, we're going to see a 110 Avax, maybe even a 134 Avax. And I'm just saying in 2024, I do believe prices will continue to rise and going into 2025, just because we know after the Bitcoin halving, which is scheduled to happen around May of next year, in the summer, we start to see projects kind of bubble up, go, start showing appreciation. And then by, the end of the year, that's when projects, the altcoins absolutely take off going into the next year. And then the first couple of months of the next year, we see those projects go to all-time highs. And that's usually how it goes in the crypto space as far as altcoins. So I believe in the 2024, we're seeing $134 or 110 to 134 in Avax price. So that's my price prediction for today. Crypto Tro, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring you Avax content because it is one of the best blockchains in my personal opinion. And I believe they're going to continue to create, develop new things on a blockchain and be very successful. So Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.